Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a fast breakfast. Making breakfast for our children before leaving for school. Pancake is never a bad idea. So let's dive in. In a bowl we'll be adding 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. In another bowl, we'll be adding a cup of milk and a cup of water. Add our dry ingredients. Mix everything until well combined. Then we keep it aside. Now the next thing we are going to add is our egg. I'm adding 2 eggs. Combine and mix everything together. Mix it until well combined. Then keep it aside. Place your fry pan on a low heat. Add little oil and add the butter into the pan and allow it to fry on a low heat. I'm using 2 pans to make it faster. In another pan, I added a little oil, then add the paste and allow it to steam on a low flame, then turn it to the other side of it. This is ready. Continue same process until you are done. Now our pancake is ready and the kids are also ready to take their breakfast before leaving for school. Thanks for watching. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.